Good morning dear students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. I am Manjusha, you are studying maths with me. In previous classes you have learned comparison of numbers, ascending order and descending order. In comparison of numbers we have discussed three rules for comparison, right? In ascending order we arrange numbers from smallest to largest. In descending order we arrange numbers from largest to smallest. Ascending and descending order both are vice versa of each other. Okay. Now our today's topic is forming numbers. Our today's topic is forming numbers. For the number formation there are two rules. Okay. So first rule is to form the largest number, forming numbers. Here you will learn how to form largest number from the given digit and how to form the smallest number from the given digits. Okay, with the help of this topic you will able to learn to form the largest number from the given digits and to form the smallest number from the given digits. Okay, so there are two rules for this number formation. There are two rules. First rule is to form the largest number. To form the largest number from the given digits. To form the largest number from the given digits. To form the largest number from the given digits, arrange the digits in descending order. Arrange the digits in descending order. Okay, let's take an example. Form the largest six digit number using and some digits will be given in your question. So form the largest six digit number from the given digits. Some digits are given here like 6, 8, 1, 2, 9 and 5. You have to form the largest 6 digit numbers using digits 6, 8, 1, 2, 6, 9 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits are given here. And you have to form the largest number. So how you will form? According to definition, what is the definition? To form the largest number from the digits, arrange the digits in descending order. When you arrange all the digits in descending order, you will get largest number. Okay, so here the digits are given. So start solving this. What is this step? You have to arrange the digits in descending order. So arrange here. In descending order, what we do? In descending order, how we arrange the numbers? In descending order, the largest number comes at first place, right? In ascending order, the smallest number comes at first place, and in descending order, largest number comes at first place. So out of these digits 6, 8, 1, 2, 9 and 5, which one is the largest digit? 6, 1, 8, 2, 9 or 5. Which one is largest out of these 5? This 6, 9. So in descending order we arrange the largest number first, right? Then we have written 9. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits left. Then now arrange which number will come after the 9. Which is the largest one? Out of this 5, which is the largest one? You can see that here 8 is the largest one. So you will write 8. Okay. Then you have done with the 8. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits are left with you. Then which is the largest in descending order? First you write largest digit. Okay. So 6, 1, 2 and 5. Which one is largest out of these 4? 6 is largest. So write 6. Okay. Then you have done with the 6. Also now 3 digits are left. And here you will write the largest digit out of these 3. That is 1, 2 and 5. Out of these 3 you will write the largest digit. So which one is largest? 5 is largest. So write 5. Then which one is largest out of 1 or 2? Obviously 2 is largest. So write 2. Then the last one digit is 1. So you arrange all the numbers in descending order to form the large number. So therefore largest number, or you can say thus largest number using, what was your question? Form the largest 6-digit number using those digits. So largest number using 6, 8, 1, 2, 9 and 5 is equals to, write all this number without the symbol. Okay, I removed the symbol when I wrote the final answer. Okay, so it is your largest number, and using 6, 8, 1, 2, 9 and 5 you got the largest number 9,86,521. So this is how you write the largest number. For writing the largest number, the step is to, which step you have to follow? You have to arrange all the given digits in descending order. In descending order, that is, the largest number comes first. Okay, so it was an example only. Now we will do question number 4 on page number 8. Exercise 1.3, question number 4 on page number 8. After understanding this topic, we should be able to do question number 4, which is on page number 8, exercise 1.3.
Wow, nice color of your.
Okay, to form the largest number from the given digits, arrange the digits in descending order. It was our definition. Okay, and now what we are going to do? Open exercise 1.3, page number 8. Exercise 1.3, page number 8, question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that form the largest 7 or 8 digit numbers using the following digits. You have to write the largest number. You have to form the largest number here. Okay. So digits are given. A. How many digits are given in the question number 4's A? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 digits are given. 3, 5, 1, 7, 2, 0 and 9. These digits are given. What is this step to write the largest number? You have to form the largest number from the given digits, arrange the digits in descending order. So you have to arrange all these digits in descending descending order. What is this step? Arrange the given digits. Arrange the given digits in descending order. And in descending order, how you arrange the digits? The largest digit comes first. So, see here, in the given digit, which one is the largest? Is 3 largest out of these? Is 1 largest out of these? No. Is 0 largest out of these? No. Then which digit is largest among these? 9. Right. 9 is largest. So, I write 9 first. Okay. Then we have done with the 9. So, now look in the remaining digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6 remaining digits, which one is the largest? Is 1 is the largest here? No. Then 5 is largest out of these? No. Then which one is largest? Right. 7 is the largest. Okay. So 7 is the largest. Now, see which one is the next largest digits? Digit 5. So you will write 5 here. Okay. We have done with the 5 also. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits are left with us. Now see, is the 1 largest out of these row? 4? No. Is the 0 largest out of this row? No. Then which one is largest? Right, 3 is the largest. So you will write 3 here. Okay. Then obviously 2 is largest. So you will write 2, then 1 and then 0. So this is how you arrange all the digits in the descending order. So this is how you arrange all the digits in descending order. So the largest number using 3, 5, 1, 7, 2, 0, 9 is equals to what I told you, that you have to write all the digits in descending order without the symbol. So I am not putting the symbol in between the digits. Okay. So 97 lakh 53,210 is your largest digit. Okay. Let's do the next question. B. See how many digits are given. Count how many digits. When you count, you see that 8 digits are given, and those digits are 2, 0, 4, 1, 8, 3, 7 and 5. These 8 digits are given in the question, and you want to form a largest number by using these digits. So what is the first step? You will arrange all the digits in, arrange the given digits in which order? Given digits in, right, in descending order. So arrange with me, which one is the largest among these given digits? Is 4 largest out of these? No. Then which one is largest? Is 5 largest out of these? No. Then you see 8 is the largest. So you will write largest number first in descending order. So 8 will come first. Now which is the largest among the remaining ones? You see that 7 is the largest. Then which one is largest among 2, 0, 4, 1, 3 and 5? Which one is largest? When you see that, you say, ma'am, 5 is the largest. So you will write 5 here. Okay. Then Identify among these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits which one is largest. 3, 4 is the largest, right? So write 4 here. Now you have left with the 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits. So which one is the largest among these 4? 3 is the largest. So write 3. Then 2. Then 1 and then 0. So you have done your first step, that is you have arranged all the given digits in descending order, right? Thus the largest 8-digit number using 2, 0, 2, 0, 4, 1, 8, 3, 7 and 5 is, remove all the symbols and write all the digits together. So 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That is 8 crore 75, 87 crore 54, sorry, 8 crore 75 lakh 43,210. Okay. So to form large numbers from the given digits, what you have to do? You have to arrange all the given digits in descending order. Let's do last one of this question. That is see how many digits are given in the question. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 digits are given and you have to make the largest 7-digit number. So for making largest number or forming largest number, you have to arrange all the digits in descending order. So start arranging all these digits. Among the given digits, you see that 9 is the largest. So you wrote 9 at first place. Then 8 is largest. So you wrote 8. Then which is the largest? After 8, which is the largest among these remaining digits? 5 is the largest. So write 5. Then you see that 4 is the largest. Then which number comes? 2. Then which is largest among between 0 or 1? 1 is largest, so write 1. Then which one is left? 0. So write 0 at the last place. Okay. So we have done our first task, that is we have arranged all the digits in the descending order. 9415280 was our given digits. Okay. Now thus the largest, this is the 7-digit number. So thus the largest 7-digit number using 9, 4, 1, 5, 2, 8 and 0 is, what you have to do? You have to write down all the digits without the symbol. So write all the digits together without the symbol. So your answer is the largest 7-digit number using 9415280 is 98,54,210. So this is how we form the largest number using the given digits. We arrange all the given numbers in descending order and form the largest number. Okay. Now It was the first rule, okay? I told you in the beginning of the lecture that we will learn two rules for forming the numbers, right? We will learn two rules for forming the numbers. So one we have done, and the other rule is to form the smallest number. Now we will form smallest number. Formation of a smallest number. So what is this step? To form the smallest number from the given digits, arrange the digits in ascending order. To form the smallest number, form the smallest number from the given digits, what you have to do? You have to arrange all the numbers in ascending order. To form the smallest number from the given digits, arrange the digits in ascending order. What was the ascending order? The ascending order is that when the shortest boy of the class stands in the row first, and the largest or the tallest boy or girl stands in the last position. Okay, so in ascending order, how you arrange the numbers? You arrange smallest number first and the largest at last. Okay, so let's do question number 5. Exercise 1.3, question number 5. Open page number 8, question number 5, exercise 1.3. Form the smallest 7-digit numbers using the following digits. You have to form the smallest 7-digit number. I am starting from the question number B. Okay. Digits are given 7, 3, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6. These digits are given in your question. Okay. These digits are given. You have to arrange these digits, given digits, in which order? You have to form smallest number. So for forming smallest number, you will arrange all these digits in ascending order. So arrange the given digits. Arrange the given digits in ascending order. So arrange all these digits in ascending order. What happens? The smallest number comes at first. So out of these, which is the smallest number? Out of these given digits? 1 is the smallest. Then 1 has done. Then which comes out of these given? 2. Then 3. Then 4 is not there. Then 5. Then 6. I am arranging all the given digits in ascending order, right? Then after the 6, 7 comes. Then there is no 8. Then 9 is there. So write 9 at the last. Now this is how you get the smallest number. Thus the smallest number using 7, 3, comma 1, comma 5, comma 9, comma 2, comma 6 is, write all these digits together without the symbols. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. That is 12,35,679 is your smallest 7-digit number. So for writing smallest or for forming smallest number, the step is that you have to arrange all the given digits in the ascending order. Let's do next. That is C. Question number C. In question number C, also 7 digits are given for forming it. Okay, these digits are given and you have to make a smallest number using these digits. So what you have to do for forming the smallest number, arrange all the given digits in ascending order. So arrange all the digits in ascending order. Arrange all these digits, given digits in ascending order. So when you find which is the smallest in ascending order, how you arrange the numbers? The first number, the smallest number comes at first place. Okay. So start arranging with me. Among these, which one is the smallest digit? 1 is the smallest, so write 1. Then after 1, 2 comes, so write 2. Then 3. Then in the given digit there is no 4. So we will not write 4 here. Then there is no 5. So we will not write 5. Then 6 is here. So write 6. Okay. Then 7. Then 8. And lastly 9. Okay, thus the smallest number using 7, 2, 6, 1, 8, 3, 9 is, write all these digits together without these symbols. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 12,36,789 is the smallest 7-digit number. So for forming smallest numbers, what is the step? You will arrange all the digits in ascending order. Okay. Now we will do last question of this. Question number 5. We will do A. So, what digits are given in A? 5, 1, 3. 5, 1, 3, 8, 2, 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are given. And by using these 7 digits, you want to form a smallest number. So you have to follow the first step, and first step is that you will arrange all the given digits in ascending order, right? So arrange all the given digits in ascending order. You must have to write all the lines again and again for each question. So arrange the given digits in ascending order. Arrange with me. Which is the smallest out of the given digits? 0 is the smallest, so 0 comes first. Then 1. Then 2. Then which will come? 3. So write 3. Then 4. Then after 4, which digit will come? 5. Then lastly 8 will come. Okay. So you have arranged all the digits in ascending order. But the leftmost digit of the number cannot be 0. But the leftmost digit of any number cannot be 0. Then what to do? You will write the 0 at the second place. From the left side you will write the 0 at the second position. Okay. So the leftmost digit, the leftmost digit of a number cannot be 0. The leftmost digit of a number cannot be 0. So put 0. So we put 0 at second position. So we put 0 at second position. We have done the first step, right? Why we are adding this part? Because 0 comes in the digits. So for forming smallest number, what you have to do? If 0 is there in your given digits, what you have to do? You have to write the 0 at second position. Okay? I am writing answer here. The smallest 7-digit number using 5, 1, 3, 8, 2, 0, 4 is, what is, if 0 comes, then what is the step? The leftmost digit of a number cannot be 0. So we put 0 at second position. So we are putting 0 at second position, then which number will come here? The smallest number will come here. So among these, the smallest one is the 1. So you will write 1 here and the remaining digits will come as it. Okay. So thus the smallest 7-digit number using 5, 1, 3, 8, 2, 0 and 4 is 10,23,458. So this is how we arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, so in today's class what we have learned? We have learned formation of largest and formation of smallest numbers. So our exercise 1.3 is over here. And we are overing our today's class here. We will meet in the next class with the new exercise and with the new concept. Have a nice day all of you.